Hello to all you folks from YouTube. I hope you're feeling great. I've brought an extraordinary strategy for you guys. It's awesome. But before you start, I'm gonna insist that you guys need to use this strategy, okay? You need to have a backtest so you could enjoy it and understand how it works. So please don't trade right after seeing this video. You'll have losses, believe me. I repeat, you will have losses. Okay, so practice for some weeks for yourself, and after you've done this and you've become sure, just test this on a few cryptocurrencies, not all of them, okay? Just work on a few to see how it goes by. Do back tests in the past of the market. Start trading with a low amount of money. These are the first few points, baby steps that I'm going to tell you. And when you've become ready, then start trading on bigger amounts of money. So don't start trading immediately after you see this video, because it will not be in your favor, believe me. Second point, this is the next thing I'm going to tell you. If you find these strategies useful and if you enjoy it, please share it with your friends and tell them to use these strategies, because I don't have any advertisements, and my advertisements are just you guys who are using these strategies. So please recommend it to friends if you liked it. And I would be very grateful if you could also subscribe to this channel and share me your videos of what you're doing yourself, and share my videos for your friends, okay? I've also considered a few things. First of all, we have an Instagram page, we have a Telegram channel. I'm telling you guys this because there are some differences. For example, here we mostly have educational methods, while on Telegram or Instagram, okay, it's mostly going to be like alerting you guys with some notifications and prices and news, in addition to educational points as well. But mainly it's going to be news. You get the point. Especially Telegram, which is momentarily, okay? Here you will see some videos and educations, and there you will get the additional information, I mean on Telegram. So you could have a complete package of education, news, and everything together, which could all of it together could lead you to good incomes. Okay, by the way, one more thing. My channel strategy is educating the most useful strategies in the world, and I usually test them myself before I suggest it to you guys, okay? For 1 or 2 weeks usually I try it myself, then I add a few things to it myself so I could lower the risk for you guys. You don't get called or anything. The risk would be decreased, the win rate, and the opposite, would be increased. And we are also educating metaverse and NFTs and stuff. We're working very professionally on this. We're not going to focus on any other thing. So that's it. If you needed any other educations, there are other educators as well out there for you. But here, all of our focus is on the things I told you. So if you're ready, press the like button, because this strategy is fantastic. Let's go. Okay, let's go and get started. First of all, this is not planned or anything. We're just going to open a random cryptocurrency together. Let's go to, for example, Cardano. ADA, USDT. Here, we're going to open this. This is a supplementary strategy, guys. It means you could use it next to your other strategies as well. Okay, so the first indicator we're going to use is QQE mod, okay, by Michael. We're going to open this. We don't need the volume anymore. Since we're going to open 3 indicators, we're going to need space. The next one is super trend. Super trend. super trend buy. No, it's not these ones. Let me just do like this. So you may need to remove the space. It needs to be together. It's this one, Kivanch. And the last indicator is going to be trend indicator A/V2. Yes, it's this one. Smoothed Heiken Ashi cloud. Okay, so remember that your candles should also be set to Heiken Ashi. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna select this one. Okay. All we need to do for the settings for all of the three indicators together is that we're going to go to the trend indicator over here. Okay, we're going to set this one MA period length to 52, and we're going to make this one from 7 to 10, the MA period smoothing length to 10. Okay, and let's increase the opacity of these. Let's, for example, make it to 70 so we could see more obviously and clear. Okay, so here we have these. You see, it's very easy. We have buy, we have sell signals, okay? And it's just very easy. It's showing you the trend mainly. And all we need to do, okay, is just get the confirmation from here. So we are going to use this with a confirmation of this with the QQE mode. Okay, here are the three indicators that I told you about. I changed the time frame from 4 hour to 1 hour because I'm using the word personally, I think it's logically better. Some people work better on 15-minute time frames. Some people work better on 4-hour time frames. Some people even work better on 5-minute time frames. It depends on how you prefer it and what time frame you're best on, okay? So it's a personal decision. Okay, let's do a quick backtest together. For you guys, let's all do it together. Pay attention. For example, when it gives you a buy signal, you must consider a few things. I repeat, for the buy signal, okay, not for the sell signal. For the sell one, it's obviously the opposite of what I'm saying. First of all, it's the main buy signal we have over here. Buy, okay? The next one is in the QQE mod that I told you, which is for the confirmation and stuff. You should see a blue part like this, an uphill like this going here above this flat line. This is a good sign. We can enter here. I mean, this is the second confirmation that we're getting. Okay, if you see anything like here which is red, or the gray parts, or even some parts like here, okay, that we don't have any colors, okay, it's best if you don't enter it. Just don't enter it, okay? I shouldn't use the word it's best not to enter it. Don't enter it. Number 3, if you see the buy signal but the trend was red, don't enter it, okay? So for example, imagine here we have a buy signal, the QQE mod is good, but if we have a red candle over here, okay, or if the green candle is becoming, somehow little, it's better not to enter it, okay? For example, here it's not a bad place, it's good. Here it's also good. Here the candle is good, but we're not gonna know what's gonna happen next. Let me give you another set of examples. Let me see if I could find one with a red candle. Buy with a red candle. Okay, this one is going towards being little. We can consider this one as something that I said, okay? Mainly when it gives, here we have something like this as well. Somehow, you know, it's next to the red one. It's better for confirmations overall. This is what I'm going to say. But you know, this is smart. It usually gives positions on good places. That's why we can rarely find ones which the buy signal is underneath a red candle, okay? But I've personally seen this, so you got what I'm trying to tell you, okay? So let's go back here where we were at the end of the chart. So these were the 3 points that I needed to tell you, okay? You might just be probably asking yourself, for the last part, how should I enter? Where should I enter? Where should my stop loss be? Where should my take profit be? I'll tell you everything you need to know. Just follow me, okay? So, let's go to the past of the market. Let's go even way more back, somewhere like here, okay? Acceptable. Let's open a long position together. We're going to go here. Let's say we open a long position. Where should the stop loss be? A little bit below the trend line color. So it can be here, which is accepted. The ratio can be double, just 2 to 1, okay? So the take profit is 2 to 1. As you can see, we have opened a long position here without hitting the stop loss. It has gone to hit our take profit and our position has been closed, okay? You can try this many times yourself. More than 70% of the times it's accurate, which is a very good percentage in my opinion. Be sure to backtest this, practice it, test it on different markets, go to the past of the market, different time frames. As I said, personally, the 1 hour time frame is logical. We can use it for lower time frames as well, but I'm just putting it to 1 hour for the accuracy, you know. If you like this strategy, please press the like button. If you didn't, press it again because it will give us a lot of energy, okay? We're producing these things for you guys because we want to be helpful, okay? And it would be very nice of you guys if you could like it, if you could subscribe, so we could create more wicked strategies. So subscribe, hit the bell. Whenever a video got uploaded, you will get notified and alerted as soon as possible. Thank you for following us. It was very nice to have you guys with us. I'm waiting for your feedbacks, your videos, and your comments. Goodbye for now.